Hey everybody, Mark McRae here, and I just wanted to say thank you to everybody that has recently subbed to the channel. I know we're only at 100 subs, but for me that's significant. It's the sign that maybe I'm starting to get some content out there that people want to see, and I want that to continue. So please interact with this video. Let me know what kind of content you want to see from a channel like this. What you're struggling with, what you'd like to see help with, and you know, I'll make my content to suit what people need to see, what they want to see. There's no point in this channel existing if it's not to help people out. So, chances are if you need help with something, other people need help with the same thing. So don't be afraid to ask. Reach out, let me know. If you'd rather not do it in the comments, you message me on Reddit. You can Instagram. Links for that should be in here, or even ArtStation. There's a number of places that you can find me and interact with me. That's what I'm here for, is to try and help people out. So thanks again for everybody that has subbed. Keep working. Keep trying to improve. And yeah, once again, let me know what you want to see. Thanks so much, everybody. Have a great day.